Hey everyone, have you seen this Gemini banana trend going viral on social media? Literally, I'm sure many of you must have thought about trying it out too. So today I'm going to teach you a step by step how to create this trend yourself. The first step, first you need to choose a photos. It can be any picture you like, mature, clear and good quality because that's going to make the final result out better. And the second step is you upload that photos into the Gemini AI tools. That is where the magic happened. The third step, after entering the prompt which I will provide you in the description, Gemini will generate a fun creativity version of the photo according to the banana style. The step 4 is when you become happy to the output, simply save the image and share it on the social media. So that's how easy it is. So let's do it. So first of all, go on the Google and search Gemini. So on Google search Gemini. Okay, Gemini, and enter, and now click on it, and here you upload your photos. I am trying social media photos to generate. So and you can use your own photo. So click here and upload files and select your photo and then open, and that prompt which I will provide you in the description, please paste that prompt here, and you can also read this prompt which I have provided. And after pasting, now click on the submit, and after submitting, wait for a minute. The Gemini is creating our images. Now you can see your images is created by the Gemini. You thinks I thinks it looks good. So this is how to create your banana images like this, and you can upload on the social media.